So student, I hope you can see my screen. So these are few suggestions for English literature. No need to copy this. No need to copy all this because these are you are already having. You are already have this. Just let me tell you. Okay, just listen to me carefully. No need to copy. You will get it. You will get it unnecessarily. Don't raise your hand. Let me complete and listen to me properly. You will be able to understand. I said in the previous classes that you have to prepare the meaning of the word for English literature. So these are the suggestion for meaning. Hopping means jumping. It is already in the book. ওকে বইয়ের মানেগুলোই আমি লিখেছি, আমি কোনো চেঞ্জ করিনি except patch. Patch mean a part of thing that is different from the rest, but this sentence is very long. So যাদের মুখস্থ হবে না তারা প্যাচের মানেটা মার্কও লিখতে পারবে. If you want you can write MARK mark. After that starts on a journey, perfect, as good as something can be, bunch, a group of things together, yawning, opening the mouth very wide to breathe in more air. So these meanings are already in your book. I have changed nothing. Okay, I have changed nothing. So no need to copy this, but these are suggestions. If you want you can write the word that which question ma'am has given a suggestion. যদি মনে হয় শুধু মানে ওয়ার্ড এগুলো লিখে নাও, রেড ইঙ্কে যেটা লেখা এগুলো সাজেশন, and these questions are also suggestion. In the exam this type of question will come. 10 question will be there. 10 question, each one will be carrying 2 marks. Understand? 10 question will be there, each one will be carrying 2 marks. These all are exercise question, nothing else. I just added 2 questions. What is bad for our teeth? Also written the answer that chocolate is bad for our teeth from the chapter Re Goes to the Market. And what is rock salt? It is also there in the meaning ei lekha ache rock salt ta ki, a type of salt that is formed in the ground. এই দুটো ছাড়া what did the child want to do with the snowball? What happened to Kittu and Chandu? What does the big fish do? What does Mr. Duck buy from the fruit seller? All are there in the study material. So don't be panic. And few 4 also will be there. So you are advised to go through all the questions from study material for exercise question answer. Okay? কোনো inside question থাকবে না, এক্সারসাইজের কোয়েশ্চেনই দেয়া হয়েছে. Yes, Rajdeep.
Ma'am, we will write it.
You can write the meaning because these are very important. Just note down 6 meanings. Okay? Hopping, like this: hopping, yawning, perfect, burnt, pass, etc. No need to write the answer. Keep in mind another meaning of patch is mark. Patch-এর আরেকটা মানে হচ্ছে MARK mark. So অনেকটা মুখস্থটা করতে প্রবলেম যাদের হবে তারা মার্কটা লিখতে পারো.
Okay ma'am, thank you ma'am.
Thank you. Welcome. Yes, Oishani.
Ma'am, what will be the correct answer?
What? Say again. Say again.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I write spot? Meaning of patch. Ma'am, meaning of patch is spot also.
Spot. Yes, you can write. Spot also will be okay. You can write
Okay.
spot.
Okay ma'am.
Okay. So student, another thing that I want to see, no need to write it because you will get it through study material. After the class, I will send this. So no need to copy it. and see this part. Join the word that have the same ending word. Okay, this is a rhyming word. This is a rhyming word and it will also come in the exam and it is very, very easy. This is from your book. From your book. Air, rhyming ending sound mean join the word that have the same ending sound. These are rhyming word. It's a rhyming word bole. Dekho, air, hair, around, ground, bees, trees, fly, sky. Can you see? Very, very easy. So already we have done this in the book. So nothing is new to you. Nothing should be new to you because I also don't want to give any new thing before exam last minute. So already we have completed everything. This is the suggestion paper. Nothing else. Suggestion paper. Air, hair, around, ground, bees, trees, fly, sky. Yes, Pratyusha. Everyone do the last part. Rajdi, all of you do exercise this one. Question number C. Do in your literature copy. Do it. Air, hair. And you may ask me, ma'am, how you will write it like this. আমি যেভাবে করেছি এটা সেইভাবে মানে ওয়ার্ডটা লিখেও পাশাপাশি লিখে দিতে পারো এয়ার হেয়ার অ্যারাউন্ড গ্রাউন্ড বিজ ফ্লাই স্কাই ট্রি এরকম পাশাপাশি লিখে আর আমি যেটা ম্যাচিং করেছি এরকম ভাবে ম্যাচিংটা এক্সামে করতে পারো as you wish. Yes, Pratyusha. Yes, Pratyusha, unmute your device.
ম্যাম হ্যালো
Yes.
হ্যাঁ বলছি ফিফথ উইকলি টেস্টে আপনি একটা কোয়েশ্চেন দিয়েছিলেন মাই শুজ আর ওয়ে ড্যাশ নিড টু বি কেপ্ট আউটসাইড টু ড্রাই তো এখানে দে হবে না ইট হবে
Eat.
কিন্তু শুজ তো প্লুরাল
হ্যাঁ বাট দে কি করে বলবো শুজ ইজ নট আ লিভিং থিং নো
হ্যাঁ লিভিং নন লিভিং থিং এ তো দেই হয় প্লুরালে
non-living thing they are wet. They are wet. It is wet. আচ্ছা আর ছিল ওখানে
হ্যাঁ শুজ আর ওয়েট মাই শুজ আর ওয়েট
okay আচ্ছা আচ্ছা yes if it is mentioned also are then they can write they
না ওই দিনকে ওটা ভুল হয়েছিল সেই জন্য আমি আর কি জিজ্ঞেস করছি যে
yes,
এখানে তো
হ্যাঁ they হবে
শুজ যখন বলছে ইএস শু মানে একটা জুতো শুজ যখন বলছে আর যখন আছে তখন তো দেই হওয়া উচিত না
obviously আর থাকলেই দে হবে
ওকে ম্যাম থ্যাংক ইউ
oh welcome yes Dirasha
ম্যাম এগুলো কি কপিতে লিখতে হবে
সবগুলো না এক্সারসাইজ সি কোয়েশ্চেন নাম্বার সি টা করো বাদ বাকি তো সাজেশন কোয়েশ্চেন সবই আছে তোমাদের কাছে এন্ড স্টাডি মেটেরিয়ালেও আমি পাঠিয়ে দেবো just only do no need to show me your copy just solve it it is very easy and this is the way you also have to do in the exam okay don't be panic exam এর দিন কেউ ভাববে না কি করে লিখবো এটা কি করে লিখবো আমি দেখিয়ে দিলাম খাতার মধ্যে স্কোয়ার করারও দরকার নেই অনলি ওয়ার্ডটা লিখবে ওয়ার্ডের পাশে ম্যাচিং ওয়ার্ডটা লিখে দিতে পারো এয়ার হেয়ার around ground bees trees sky fly this is up to you how you want to write it oh today Arvika is playing Raisha where are you and student you are advised to go through all the question of exercise okay এক্সারসাইজের বাইরে কোনো প্রশ্ন থাকবে না বাট প্রত্যেকটা চ্যাপ্টারের এক্সারসাইজ প্রশ্নগুলো ভালো করে পড়বে from study material okay Shani yes very good yes like this you can write also yes Mushina
done.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes. Okay, very good.
मेरी process
Yes.
मेरी processing ही होगी तो
Yes, in this process.
okay, thank you ma'am.
Thank you. Yes, Armin. Bornabo. Okay, very good. Ashna. Okay, good. And what is rock salt? Answer is here, a type of salt that is formed in the ground. And very good, Shamprikta. Very good, Ifra. Very good, Swastik. Afrin. Tiptha. And in the exam time also, I'm telling you, don't copy the question. You are advised to write only answer. Okay, you are advised to write only answer. Don't copy the question. Don't copy the question. No need to copy the question. Just give the proper number and write the answer. Okay, and for this question, see what is the instruction? Give the answer of the following questions in full sentence. For full sentence, you have to write the answer in full, in detail. And for English literature, practice the poem Snowball with poet name. Okay, practice the poem Snowball with poet name. And in your home also, for English literature, you need to practice writing every day. Okay, Ronak, Zubaidul, very good. Okay, okay, Zubaidul. Okay, Samprikta, Arshi, all of you. Ifra, yes, that one, yes, absolutely, that one is. Otai, that one I have given, already there in the book, yes. And Irene, okay, very good. You can also, পাশাপাশিও তোমরা লিখতে পারো, okay? পাশাপাশিও লিখতে পারো, no issue. Very good, Arvika. Very good, Tirasha, Rona. Pratyusha, okay. Both SST, language and literature, repeatedly I'm telling, don't copy the question. Only you have to write answer. Ayush, Raisha, Argo, Nishan. Achha. Kindly drop your hand. If you are having any question, any doubt, ask me. Okay, I have checked your copy. No need to show me again and again. Now, if you are having any problem or any question, you can ask me before exam. যদি কোনো কোথাও প্রবলেম থাকে, কোনো জিনিস জিজ্ঞাসা করার থাকে, আমাকে জিজ্ঞেস করতে পারো। Very good, Deeptha. Arohi, where are you going? Okay, no problem. Let me ask you the question. What did the child want to do with the snowball? Yes, Irene.
Ma'am, one more question. Springtime. What are the children doing? Name any two activities mentioned in the poem. Please tell me.
Activity. The children are hopping. No, the children are playing. What is the name of the game? Hopscotch. Okay. Two activities. Acha, let me open the poem. 1 minute. Okay, can you tell me the page number?
Page number 34.
Okay, thank you.
Springtime.
Okay. I'm telling you. Let me think about it. 1 minute. 2 activities that children are doing, or all the activities mentioned in the poem that first have to find out. 1 minute. Two activities. Okay, so 2 activities are: number 1, children are playing hopscotch. Children are playing hopscotch and they are flying kites. See, it is written now. Kite tails in the sky. Kite tails in the sky, and the picture that is in the page number 34, we can see that the children are also flying kite. So answer will be children are playing hopscotch and they are flying kites. But it is also there in the study material. In that image I sent to you, it is also there. So children are playing hopscotch and flying kites. Yes, Swasti.
Ma'am, এটা একবার পড়িয়ে দেবেন?
Which one?
Ball.
Springtime.
Springtime.
Springtime. Okay. Springtime is not there in this exam. It is revision, but it will not come in the exam. এটা এক্সামে এইবারে নেই, এবারে স্নোবল আছে। Okay. But still, as you have requested, I'm saying freshly planted garden, blossom in the tree. Garden, it springtime mean in the poem, it is saying that it is dictating about a season that is spring. And what happened in this season? In the season, we can see freshly planted garden and blossom in the trees. Blossoms mean flowers. Insects flying through the air, humming little bees. Humming means buzzing sound made by bees. Children playing hopscotch, kite tails in the sky. So hopscotch is a kind of game. Hopscotch is a game where you must jump between number square drawn on the ground. So children are playing 2 type of game. Number 1, that is hopscotch, and they are also flying kites. Bunnies hopping in the meadow. Bluebirds flying high. Bluebirds, a type of songbirds with blue feather. Bluebird means type of songbird with bluebird. আমরা যাদেরকে বলি in Bengali গায়ক পাখি. Okay. Raindrop on the tulip, clover on the ground, blanket drying in the wind with family all around. So this is normally is a description of a spring season, and what the poet can see. The poet can see these all type of activities by the children and also by the insect. And we can also see different activities done by different person, like children, like insect, like birds, and flower also blooms in this season. Yes, Afrin.
Ma'am, may I go to toilet?
Yes, go. Yes, Rajati.
Please explain me the full poem Catching Fish.
Full poem. Catching fish full poem is, this is not poem, this is the story. Catching fish this is a story of three person, Kittu, Chandu and Munia. Kittu and Chandu, in short, I didn't know, wait. Kittu and, I have noticed you, okay? So Kittu and Chandu, they both are friends and they wants to catch a fish. But Munia doesn't want to catch a fish. That's why she is saying, no, we should not catch a fish. It will get hurt. But someday they have started their journey to catch a fish. And in the pond, we can see three fishes were there. One of the fish was very big. And suddenly, and they, in the story, at last they failed to catch the fish. Why? Because a big fish was there under the pond, and the big fish tied up both the string and they failed to catch that fish. This is the story. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, to explain me.
Thank you so much. Welcome. Yes, Ayush.
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম হ্যালো
Yes.
হ্যালো
Yes.
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম বলছি যে ওদের একটা কথা জিজ্ঞেস করার ছিল ম্যাম, বলছি ওদের ওই রুলটা না কপি তো দিয়েছে এক্সামের জন্য, ওটা কি অনলাইন করে গ্যাপ দিয়ে দিয়ে লেখাবো তো ম্যাম?
আপনার কথা শোনা যাচ্ছে না।
ম্যাম বলছি ওদের রুলটা না কপি দিয়েছে ওই এক্সামের জন্য, বেঙ্গলি কপি এর মতো যেগুলো হয় আর কি।
Yes.
শুনতে পাচ্ছেন ম্যাম?
হ্যাঁ,
হ্যাঁ
পাচ্ছি।
ম্যাম বলছি ওগুলো কি অনলাইন ছাড়া দিয়ে দিয়ে লেখাবো তো, মানে ধরুন একটা ওয়ার্ড লেখার পরে আবার নেক্সট যাতে আসবে সেই পরেরটাই লেখাবো নাকি এক লাইন ছাড়া দেবো?
কোনটা এক লাইন ছাড়া আমি ঠিক বুঝতে পারলাম না। রোল
এইরকম বলছি যে এই যে প্রত্যেকটা লাইনে কি
হ্যাঁ, হ্যাঁ,
ছাড়া দিয়ে দিয়ে লেখা?
না 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 না, ছাড়া দিতে হবে না, ছাড়া দিলে অনেক পেজ লেগে যায়। পরপর লিখতে
আচ্ছা
পারে।
ওটাই জিজ্ঞেস করছি।
ওরা
পরপর লিখতে পারে?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ,
আচ্ছা,
পরপরই
আচ্ছা।
লিখবে, পরপর লিখবে। ছাড়া দিলে তোমরা মানে
হ্যাঁ।
অতটা পেজ নেই, পারবে না। তোমরা সব
আচ্ছা,
সেন্টেন্স,
আচ্ছা।
সমস্ত লাইনগুলোতেই লিখবে।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা এটাই জানার ছিল ম্যাম। ঠিক
ও।
আছে। আর ম্যাম একটু স্কুলে যাবো, একটু লিভ হতে পারি ম্যাম? আজ লিভ হতে
Yes,
পারে?
yes, 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 you can.
ওকে ম্যাম, থ্যাংক ইউ ম্যাম।
Yes, Arvika.
Ma'am,
Yes.
my mobile is
মোবাইল ব্যাটারি
is very low.
You want to leave the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, best of luck. Only 5 minutes left. Okay, no issue.
Ma'am.
Best of luck. Yes, Irene.
Ma'am, which
Yes.
chapter is coming exam?
Which?
Which chapter is coming exam?
Which chapter? For which?
Which chapter?
For
Which chapter coming?
which chapter? Those are mentioned in the which chapter?
Which chapter is coming exam?
Those are mentioned in the handbook. Those are in the SA1 syllabus. Okay, and from revision chapter, short question will be there, but not big question. For English literature, okay, for English literature there will be no.
Springtime also there. Springtime also there.
I know springtime is there. Springtime is also there, I know, and springtime is also there. So there will be question from springtime also. No issue.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Rihan Aryan. What?
Ma'am, go to toilet.
Yes, you can go. Yes, you can go. Okay. So, everyone, bye bye.